Hi, this is Yogesh. Welcome to Servlet tutorial. Now we shall learn one of the important interview question on Servlet, that is what happens if multiple response.sendRedirect methods are placed in a single Servlet program are placed in a single Servlet program. So let me give the answer on this question with practical implementation. So let me keep let us keep multiple response dot send redirect methods in source solid program and create the application So in the last session only I created two web applications from WebLogic in WebLogic server. So you can see here 46 and 47. Okay, so let me sort by date. Okay, 46 and 47. So this is 46, this is 47. In the 46 you will see this is the form page. Okay, and let me change the content to what happens if multiple response.sendRedirect are placed in a now here. So this was previous question. Now here this is the new question. Okay boss, fine. So here you can add h1 tag and close off /h1 tag. What happens if multiple response.sendRedirect methods are placed in a single solid program? So this is the form page. Okay, fine, done. Now let me open the web.xml file, configuration of test SRE1 with t1 URL and welcome file name, file configurations. Go to classes, let me delete existing .class file. So here deleted, yes, test SRE1, control shift W for word wrap. These are the import statements. This not recognized by the WebLogic server, so I commented public class test SRB do get method. Okay, fine. T1, T2, T3 has been read. Bill amount, check whether discount is required or not. Next, redirect the request to 47 test app 2 for discount. So I don't want to forward anymore, so let me keep the comment line here. So comment from here to here. Actually this was the practice that I done in the previous session for one more interview questions for forward and send redirect, but now I want to work with the multiple send redirect. Okay, multiple send redirect. Okay, fine. So here multiple send redirect. Okay boss, done. I called 2 times now. I called 2 times and let me keep one more time, 3 times. So this is 1 time, this is 2 time, this is 3 time. What happens onto the same servlet, that is localhost 7070 47 test app to t2 URL bill amount. Okay, how many times it will execute? Let us see now. And these are the commented lines. This is not a part of this current interview question. Okay boss, fine. Let us see now how many times it will execute. Control C. So I want to show you here 2, 1, and this also I want to show here, control C, control V, 1. Okay, so here is also I want to keep as a 2, control V, home, here is 3, here is 3. Okay, fine, done. So here I kept. Now let me proceed for next application, that is 47 test app 2. 47 test app 2. So open web.inf. For this web.xml, here I configure test srv2, and let me open classes. So let me delete this file, dot class file. Yes, test srv2, control shift W for word wrap. Okay, not from Tomcat, this is from WebLogic. WebLogic server. Here I applied thread.sleep for 5 seconds. For 5 seconds. 5 seconds sleeps. Then your general setting, read the input parameter values, and then float bill amount, then item name and bill name. Okay, fine. So here if you close pw.close, close the streams. So pw.close. Okay boss, fine, done. Let me compile test srv2.java. Now this is from 47 test app 2. Just go back here, go to 46, go to web classes and compile here also. Java C test srv1.java. Okay boss, now next start the server. Start admin server, run as administrator. Hit the yes button. So your server is starting now. Next, till then let me keep the browser ready. Is in running mode. Localhost 7070 46 test app 1. Okay, so I want to order dining table. Then 3000 rupees each. Quantity is 10. Hit the final bill amount. Let us see what happens, how many times it will hit now. Okay, you can see here, one time before send redirect, second time with illegal state exceptions, So the underlying container throws response already committed. So let me remove that close dot streams and see. So here I got illegal state exception. Okay, response already committed. Okay boss, now let me try without closing the stream, and let me recompile from 47 web.inf classes. Okay, done. Let me recompile now. Classes, go to command prompt. So delete this file, deleted now. Yes, command prompt javac test srv2.java. Let me close and then compile. Let me start the server again. Okay, it's starting now. Something like a cupboard 9,000 rupees final bill amount. Now look at here, send redirect again send redirect. So anyhow it has been thrown the exception, illegal state exception. Okay, null, already committed. So I got this error. What is that error? Illegal state exception. So the underlying container throws java.lang.IllegalExceptions, response already committed. Okay boss, fine. So this is the practical proof. Now the next question is, how many ways to send or pass the data between two web resource programs of a Java web applications? So first of all, we should know how many ways we can send the data between two different web resource programs of a web applications. So as of now 3 ways are there. So totally 3 ways to send the data between two web resource program. So what are those different ways? Okay, fine. So first is by using request of attributes, second by using session attribute,